Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to download and set Spotify songs as ringtones on your iPhone, even though it's not officially supported. Let's jump right into it. You can't directly set Spotify music as a ringtone on your iPhone because Spotify songs are protected and iPhone ringtones must be in M4R format. To make it work, you'll first need to download the Spotify song as an MP3 file, convert it to M4R, and then transfer it to your iPhone. Start by downloading and installing TuneFab Spotify Music Converter on your computer. Open the program and log in to your Spotify account using the built-in Spotify web player. Once you're logged in, choose the song, playlist, or album you want to use as your ringtone and drag it to the floating plus icon to add it to the conversion list. Before converting, select MP3 as the output format. Then click the Convert button to start downloading the song to your computer. When the download is complete, click the folder icon in the Finish tab to find the MP3 file on your device. Next, open iTunes on your computer and add the downloaded MP3 track to your library. Find the song in your library, right-click on it, and select Song Info. Go to the Options tab and set the start and stop time for your ringtone clip. Keep it under 30 seconds since iPhones only allow ringtones of that length. After setting the time, click OK to save. With the clip selected, go to File, choose Convert, and click Create ACC Version. iTunes will create a new version of the clip in ACC format. Locate this new file on your computer, then rename its file extension from M4A to M4R. If you can't see file extensions, enable them in your folder view settings first. Now connect your iPhone to your computer and open iTunes if it doesn't open automatically. Go to the Tones section under your device and drag the M4R file into it to sync. Once syncing is complete, open your iPhone and go to Settings and Haptics and select Ringtone. You'll find your custom ringtone in the list. Tap it to set it as your default. If you prefer to do everything directly on your iPhone, you can also download Spotify songs to your phone and use the GarageBand app to edit and turn them into ringtones without needing a computer. And that's it. You've just learned how to turn your favorite Spotify songs into custom iPhone ringtones. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy tech guides, and let me know in the comments which song you're setting as your ringtone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.